We have a half round job that we are doing today. And it was a long drive, almost 4 hours. But we're gonna hang the half round 032 dark bronze on this 2-story and 3-story in the back. 3 gutter sections. And we got a metal roof. No siding yet. We'll put the downspouts up temporary. And then after the siding, they will re-bolt it. But we've got 40-foot ladders. Kind of a tall house. And most important, we have a beautiful day. There's another view right there of the house. We're gonna run the downspout to the left. Well, at least it's really sunny. Let me show you the half round gutter. We have the bigger outlet designed for the half round. And we have internal brackets and external. Internal, external. So every 2 feet, well, every 4 feet, and then every 4 feet on the outside. It'll look real nice. I'll show you after we're done hanging this gutter. It's gonna look really good. We are gonna test with water. We got a bucket of water right there. It's a long ways, 57 feet to be exact. We're gonna have a downspout right over there. So we're gonna check and see if it drains. We are water testing the gutter and it's flowing fabulous. So those are external hangers and they're every 4 feet. How many brackets do we have on top? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 brackets. This lower one we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Internal brackets. And it's underneath the flashing, so very nice. We are hanging the last gutter. Got the back done. Got 3 ladders here. Got all the hangers installed. Water testing the last gutter. Let's zoom out. This gutter looks really good. Let's see, where's the water? It's going. Water is going. Oh, wow. Water's almost at the end. Let's see. Got it done. Took a couple hours, but we got 14 brackets on this gutter. You can count them. 1, 2, 3. So that means there's 14 brackets on the inside. That means there's 28 hangers on this gutter. Finished the job and drove down the street to see the ocean, the Oregon coast. Well, Orion couldn't outrun the ocean. Now his shoes are gonna get rusted. That was fun though. Yeah, look at that. That is beautiful sunset. Look at this beautiful sunset. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. It is gorgeous. Tall mountains.